Hello Synapse CI/CD fans, my name is Rui Cunha and I'm a support escalation engineer on the Azure Synapse Analytics team. Welcome to this video series on Synapse CI/CD. When using a Synapse workspace integrated with Git, you are no longer altering your code into live mode. You are having a new layer on top of that, the Git layer, where you commit all changes before publishing to the underlying layer, the live mode layer, okay? So in some circumstances, these two layers can become out of sync. In Synapse Studio, you can take advantage of the Override live mode feature to synchronize these two layers. So you will bring all the code that you have in your collaboration branch and override the code that exists in live mode. This is one scenario where this feature can be helpful. Another scenario is, for example, in disaster recovery scenarios or when your workspace got deleted accidentally and you want to create a new workspace and recover all your code into live mode. So you integrate the new workspace with your existing repo and then you use the override live mode feature to bring all the code from Git into this live mode layer. In this video, I will show you how you can take advantage of this feature. So there are a few scenarios where you can take advantage of this override live mode feature here. So we talked about in a previous session about the import resources. So it's when you want to import everything from live mode to your Git branch. But on the other side, you can also take advantage of bringing your stuff from your Git branch to live mode. In scenarios when you are integrating your Git branch, your Git repository with a new workspace, or in scenarios where your live mode got out of sync when compared with Git branch. So you have more stuff in your Git branch than you do in live mode. So you want to override everything in live. So let's start with this scenario here when I have already my existing repo. Okay, all my stuff is here in my main branch. The work that I've done here, notebook, SQL script, and here in this workspace, a new workspace, I also have a couple of new artifacts that don't exist here in my branch. So let's see what will happen to these artifacts when you use the override live mode. Okay, here's a couple of examples. This live notebook, it does not exist here. I have this notebook 1. Okay, so let's put this simple scenario that this is my new workspace and I have this repo with stuff from a previous workspace, another workspace. And I want to integrate this repo with this new workspace. So I'm going to set up all the configuration here, my project, my repo, my collaboration branch. And now here's the thing. I don't want to import any existing resources. Okay? I want to override live mode. So I will uncheck this. Okay, I will uncheck this box now. And once my repo is integrated in this workspace, that's where I'm going to use the override live mode feature. Now, the override live mode feature, you can use it here from the managed hub source control Git configuration. Okay, so this will pick all the code that you have in your collaboration branch, okay, and it will deploy all the code to live mode. Okay, so we are bringing everything from the Git layer to the service layer. So now, depending on the number of artifacts that you have in your Git branch, this can be an operation that can be time consuming, you know. So, but since I have a few artifacts here, I expect, so here it is what I wanted to show you. Look at all the existing artifacts that you have in your target workspace, okay, the workspace that you are integrating. If these artifacts don't exist in your Git branch, they will be removed. So this is a full override over your workspace, okay? So now I'm going to hit the override button, and now what will happen is that all artifacts here will be published in your live mode as new artifacts. So let's wait for the publishing operation to pick up. All good, and now it's generating the ARM templates to the workspace publish branch. Okay, so now if I go here to live mode, I'm not expecting to see that notebook. My notebook is no longer here, and even that blob linked service is no longer here. Okay, so just to double check. So this is how you can take advantage of the override live mode feature to erase anything that you have in your workspace and publish everything that you have in your collaboration branch. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we'll be releasing more Synapse CI/CD videos soon. I'll catch you up on the next one.